Encouraging young people to develop social entrepreneurship in a community, the case of Auroville, India, analyzed the role of young people on this Universal Township located in the south of India and its business ecosystem. Auroville, founded in 1968, can be seen as a utopian experiment for alternative ways of living, with the purpose of achieving human unity, but is a long way away from its initial objectives today. YouthLink, a service unit established in 2015 to integrate the next generation of Aurovillians, is analyzed in this case, following the hypothesis that a sustainable business ecosystem with thriving social enterprises is indispensable for the development of the township. Three roles and strategies YouthLink can adopt to achieve this goal are considered. First, building a network of entrepreneurs. Second, launching a social incubation program. Third, starting a movement to bring about more social entrepreneurship-friendly regulations. These three potential approaches for generating a sustainable business ecosystems that enable social enterprises to flourish and involves the younger generation in Auroville's development are described in the third and the final part of the case study. The first part of the case introduces Auroville history, community, economy, and governance, and shows how the township fully embodies a pioneering spirit. This part sets out of the current state of development of the township, outlining its main challenges. The second part of the case provides another view of best practices of alternative communities around the globe, and examples of social incubations programs such as Familistère de Guise in France, Findhorn, an eco-village in Scotland, and so on and so forth. The main teaching objective of the case is to challenge the status quo. It can be used during business transformation, innovation, entrepreneurship, or development courses. You can acquire the case encouraging young people to develop social entrepreneurship in a community, the case of Auroville, India, from our distributors, the CCMP, or the Case Center.